Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to install Terraform on Windows 10 or 11. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Let's begin. To install Terraform on Windows, you need to go to this URL, then select the Windows, this one, and download. Then open. Then you need to extract it in some place. And to install it, you just move it to the folder where you want to install it. In my case, it will be C, Terraform. Next, you need to open the environment variables. This one, path, edit, and you need to add this path. Okay. So now, let's try Terraform. And as you can see, now we have Terraform installed on Windows 10 or 11. Thank you for watching.